I'm head teacher at Kivumu Primary School. We need our classrooms because in these classrooms, some of them are not standard.
To help out the Kivumu Primary School with the request for additional teaching space, the Father Vieco Center set to work. Students and teachers from the building section of the school built 4 new beautiful classrooms from the ground up. The classrooms are now finished and will be occupied by children from the parish when the next term begins.